Social Security payments up to $5,181 coming this week. DTV FAP. Social Security check up to $5,181 are arriving this week, but here why most people won't get that money. When payments arrive. This week, millions of Americans are receiving payments from the Social Security Administration, but your exact payment date depend on your birth date. Not when you retired. If your birth date falls between the 1st and 10th, you were paid on the second business day of the month. If it's between the 11th and 20th, your payment comes on the third business day. And if your birthday is between the 21st and 31st, you will receive your money on the fourth business day. There also an exception if you started benefits before 1997 or receiving SSI, your payment usually arrive earlier in the month. This system helps distribute payments smoothly across millions of people without delay. The $5,181 payment explained. Now let's talk about that big number. $5,181 per month. This is the maximum Social Security benefit in 2026, but only a small percentage of people actually qualify for it. To reach this amount, you must have earned the maximum taxable income for at least 35 years and delay claiming benefits until age 70. That's a long time of high earning and patience. If you claim earlier, your benefits drop significantly. For example, someone retiring at 67 may receive up to about $4,152, while claiming at 62 could reduce that to around $2,969. So while $5,181 sounds exciting, it's not the typical payment most retirees receive. What most people actually get. Here the reality. The average social security benefit is around $2,071 per month. In 2026, that's far lower than the maximum amount. Why such a big difference? Because benefits are based on your lifetime earning and the age you choose to claim. Many people don't earn the maximum income throughout their career, and many choose to claim benefits earlier than full retirement age. These two factors reduce the final monthly repayment. That's why it's important to set realistic expectations and plan accordingly. Knowing the average help you better estimate what your own retirement income might look like. What affect your payment? Your social security benefit is calculated using your highest 35 year of earning. If you worked fewer year, zero are added into the calculation, which lowers your benefit. Timing also play a huge role. Claiming early you reduce your monthly payment, while delaying increasing it. On top of that, cost of living adjustment (COLA) help increase benefit over time to keep up with inflation, but they don't always fully match rising costs like healthcare or housing. All these factors combine to determine how much you will actually receiving each month. What to do if your payment is late? If your payment does not arrive on time, don't panic. The Social Security Administration recommends waiting at least 3 mailing days before taking action. Sometimes delay happen due to banking issue or processing times. After that, you can contact your bank or reach out to Social Security directly. It's also important to regularly review your earnings record and benefit statement to make sure everything is accurate. Catching error early can prevent bigger problem later. Staying informed and proactive is the best way to protect your benefits. Are you getting the max or the average? Comment your expected benefit below and follow for more money updates.